Hi everyone, welcome back to the chaos, and there's a lot of it today. The reason I haven't done another video update for 2018 yet, at least any videos for 2018 yet, is because I'm in the middle of redoing my entire craft room. And I got a lot of stuff to move around. What I plan on doing is, this is not the ideal workplace, but it is all I have, so it's what I'm gonna do. These pillars right here, this one right here, and this one right here, I can't move those. So no matter what I do, I am kind of limited to what I can do down here for a workplace. So that's why everything is kind of in a little bit of chaos down here. This is a lot of stuff. So my idea basically is to take these two shelves here and move them over to this wall right here. Paint this wall white, and this will be my basic backdrop for my YouTube videos whenever you see me. I'm going to move this table over here. And I should have enough room for my chair, for my sewing chair, to be right behind that. TV's going to go up on the wall right up there. Those guys are going to go somewhere else. I need to build more shelving over here, clean out there what I don't want anymore. Clean up my Christmas balls, get those decorated. But this wall is going to be white. It's going to be my backdrop. Can't move the stove, that's my only source of heat down here. And I've added to my collection of, oh my god, I have too much stuff in this place. But anyway, yes, that is my plan. That's what I'm working on right now, and that's why I haven't got a video up for you. The next video I plan on doing for you guys is going to be, it is January, it is the new year. I had New Year's resolutions from last year. Hard word. So I will be going over what my New Year's resolution was last year, if I succeeded or not, and what my New Year's resolutions are going to be for this year, 2018, for the channel and for myself. Thank you guys, I love you, and I will see you next week. Bye!